In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel files to PDFs online on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF that preserves your spreadsheet's layout without installing any extra software. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Adobe Acrobat's online site. Once you're there, look for the Excel to PDF tool. You'll usually find it on the home page under the Convert section, or you can use the site's search bar and type Excel to PDF. When you've located it, open the tool to begin. On the tool page, click Select a File. This opens your computer's file picker. Choose the Excel spreadsheet you want to convert. Both .xls and .xlsx formats work. For a smoother upload, it helps if the file isn't open in another program. If your workbook is large or has lots of images, expect a slightly longer upload time. After you select the file, Acrobat automatically uploads and starts converting it in the cloud. Keep the browser tab open while this happens. The progress indicator will let you know it's working. Conversion speed depends on your internet connection and file size, so give it a moment to finish. At some point, you may be prompted to sign in to continue or to access the final download. That's normal. Sign in with your Adobe ID or use a Google login if that's more convenient. This step helps Acrobat save your work securely and enables the download. Once the conversion completes, you'll see a ready-to-download PDF. Click Download to save it to your computer. Pick a folder you use frequently so you can find the file later without searching. If your browser asks where to save, confirm the location and proceed. Your Excel file is now converted to a PDF. It's a good idea to open the PDF right away and check that everything looks correct. Things like column widths, headers, and page breaks. If you notice content spilling onto extra pages or something not aligning as expected, adjust the original Excel layout or print settings, then repeat the same conversion steps for a cleaner result. That's all there is to it. Go to Adobe Acrobat Online, open the Excel to PDF tool, select your spreadsheet, wait for the conversion, sign in if prompted, and download your finished PDF. With this approach, you'll get consistent results and a professional-looking document that's easy to share and print. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section